I gotta see this. We got some fucking, like, what do you call it, 4Runner, trying to tell this semi, all of a sudden the plow truck comes up behind him to push. Plow truck's gonna push, you fuck nuts. Get in the truck and drive, you fucking retard. That plow truck's gonna push you, you fucking idiot. God, you're stupid, man. Motherfucker. This is fucking silly shit. I love seeing stupid shit like this. Meanwhile, I'm plowing through fucking 4-foot snowdrifts with my Camry. This dude with the fucking international 53-foot van can fucking make it around the corner. Didn't know better to fucking not stop. Put your chains on, you fucking pussy. What? You only have chains? I should go fucking bullshit this man. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down and talk shit to this guy though. Where's your chains at, man? Put the fucking chains on! You got no chains? No chains? Fuck. Crazy. Oh, it's just a little ratchet strap. This is epic. JD Frank. I smell his fucking tires burning, causing the biggest traffic jam in the world. I don't give two shits. Okay. These clowns are fucking nuts. I gotta come around for another look at these fools, man. Sorry, I dropped my phone. Had to do an e-brake maneuver. What? They gave up? Time for another e-brake maneuver. I'm going home. Fuck them. That was a fucking triumphant effort, though. Can't believe that man is out in the shit with no chains, no fucking chains, no tire chains. You don't fucking go trucking in Minnesota through especially through this fucking shit without some tire chains. You dig? But me and my fucking old shit box Camry, I just fucking plow through the 4-foot freshies.